Let me demonstrate our project. Once we open our app, let me show the seller credentials. The seller can log in using their email and registered password. Only registered seller can access the dashboard. Once they log in, they get their dashboard where the seller can list out all the products they wanted to sell with the name of the product, the price of the product. And they also have the feature where they can also add the image of the product they wanted to sell. Camera we added so that the buyers can easily identify the seller wanted to sell. Seller can also have a feature to say whether the product is to the buyer, so the buyer can easily understand. Now let me show the login credentials of our buyer. The buyer can also log in using the registered email ID and registered password. Only registered buyers can log in into their accounts. Once they log in, they are redirected to the maps where they can identify the nearby sellers near them and can see the products which are available, and they can put an order where they can also see the status of their order, whether it is processing or accepted, and they can do their payments using the payment gateways like Paytm and Google Pay. They also have the language feature. Let me show again the buyer's account in detail, where they can also update the products they wanted to buy. They can also update the product and also see the status of the product, whether it is accepted or under process, so that they can know the process status of the product they are buying. Welcome to the another part of our project, Vegetable Market Demand Prediction. Here, the user can upload a dataset containing historical market prices and demand data. Once uploaded, the apps give a preview of the dataset. We perform basic pre-processing steps like missing values, handling, and preparing the data for model training. A linear regression model to analyze the relationship between features like price, season, and previous demand to predict future market demand for each vegetable. This is the code for the complete app, and we use the terminal to run the app. Here we used Streamlit for our app, and our app name is Final App. So we give the app name and we run our final app. Once we run, we'll be directed through our final app output. There, the user can select a vegetable as an input, and they can give the district, state, month, date, and the type of the vegetable they wanted to predict. Once they give the details and they click on the submit button, they will get the price prediction for the given vegetable. This project is simple but effective.